To get started, first, press on the extension. We have 4 functions available in this extension. We will use extract reviews. As you can see, we extracted the reviews in this list. To extract more, simply scroll down. And the more you scroll down, the more you will extract. Once you're done, press Add to Export List. Alternatively, you can use the auto function, which will auto-scroll for you and add the data to the list. Once you're done, press Stop. Now, to export this, press Export Data. You can export it in many different ways. I will export it as HTML. After exporting, here's all the data we extracted. Let's try one more function. Let's say we want to extract the details of this product. So, press on the extension, then press Extract Product Details. And there you go. You can extract more by going to different products. So I went to this product, and then I press Add to Export List. And then I go to a different product, and then press Add to Export List again. And then just export it as usual. After exporting, here's all the data we extracted.